In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this amazing 3D effect in PixelLab and how you can save it as a preset so that you'll be able to use it in any other project you are working on in PixelLab without having to create it from the scratch. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing to do is to write your text. Go to text, add text, double tap to add your text. So let's write wow and it's okay. So the next thing to do is to increase the size. So let's increase the size like this. So I think this is okay. So this is it. So the next thing to do is to change the font. Go to font and go to my font. Then you can choose your font. You can use any font, but if you want to use this particular font, I've linked it in the description box below. You can download it from there. Then it's okay. So we have it like this. The next thing you want to do is to go to color. Go to color here, then choose the gradient color. Click on this plus to assign color. So the top color here, this is it here. So we have to change it to white, pure white. Then it's okay. So the bottom color is here. So we need to change it to, go to where you input your code. So we need to change the code to B5, B5, B5. It's okay here, okay here, okay, then okay. So we have it like this. So the next thing you want to do is to add stroke. Go to stroke, enable it, then go to where you change the color. Change the color code to F1, F1, F1. It's okay, okay, okay. Then change the stroke width to 2. Then it's okay. So the next thing you want to do is to add shadow. Add shadow to your text. Reduce the opacity to 50. Reduce the blur radius to 2. Then offset it by -3. Then offset the Y by 6. Then it's okay. So the next thing you want to do is to go to your 3D text here. Go to 3D, enable it, then choose the oblique here. Then change the depth to 4. Change the depth to 4. Then go all the way down to oblique angle. Change it to 225. 225. Then go again. Go to light angle. Change it to 105. Then go to shadow here. Change it to 20. Then it's okay. So the next thing you want to do is to duplicate this text. Go to copy here, copy, then we have it like this. So after copying your text, the first thing you want to do is to go to size and increase it by 2. 1, 2. So we have it like this. So after this, go to style here, then click on bold. So click OK. To make it more bolder, go to stroke here, then increase the size to increase the stroke width to 12 or 13. 12 or 13 will be fine. It's okay. Then the next thing you want to do is to go to color. Go to color, go to gradient, click on this plus sign to assign color. So the top color here, go to color and input the code FFB200. It's okay, okay, okay. So the bottom color here, this is it. So we have to change the color as well. Input the code FF9801. It's okay, okay, okay. So we have it like this, then you hit okay. So this is it here. So the next thing you want to do is to go to stroke. Go to stroke, then go to gradient. choose the same color you applied to the fill, apply it to the stroke as well. So we have it like this. So the next thing you want to do is to go to your relative position. Go to your relative position here, hit the middle and the center to bring it here. So the next thing you want to do is to go to where you manage your layer, then bring this first text down like this. So we have it like this. Then click on this first text, then offset it like this. Then go back to where you manage your layer, choose the second text here, go to 3D text, increase the depth to 5, then hit OK. Then go to shadow, click shadow, increase the opacity to 60, then the blur to 5 or 6 will be fine. Then reduce this offset Y to 3. Then it's OK. So we have it like this. So to be able to save it as a preset, so that you can be able to use it whenever you are working on PixelLab without having to create from the scratch. So you have to click the first text here, go to style, then save. Then it will ask you if you want to save as a new style. Then you hit OK. So the next thing you want to do, go to where you manage your layer, click on the second text, then go to style again, click on save, then hit OK. So even if you delete this, let's delete. So you can now write another text. Let's write boy. It's OK. So we have it like this. So without having to create from the scratch, you can go to your style, go to browse, go to my styles, then hit the first one here. So we have the first one here. So duplicate it like this. Then go to style again, go to browse, my styles, and choose the second one. So we have the second one like this. So to set it, click on the first one you dropped, go to relative position, hit the middle, hit the center, hit OK. Go to the second one, go to relative position, hit the middle, hit the center. You have it like this. Then you can offset it like this. Then you have it again. We are having to create from the scratch. So that's it, guys. If you want to stay updated with the latest smartphone graphic design tips and tricks, I invite you to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. By doing so, you will receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. Keep nurturing your creativity and let's continue this artistic journey together. Until next time, stay creative.